My hair is so dry. I don't feel like shampooing it. I don't feel like conditioning it. I just want to go to bed. Like, why can't this process be so much easier?
Did you get some new products from the Main Choice?
I did. And look, I don't have to shampoo my hair. I can just spray it on and it cleans the scalp. On top of that, I have an overnight conditioner. Who doesn't want this? Now I could go to sleep and wake up with beautiful hair. It looks like your girl has a plan. I'm going to use the brand new Main Choice Minty Scalp Purifying Spray because it actually clarifies, awakens, and rejuvenates the hair. So literally, all I have to do is spray this on my scalp, let it sit, and then I can move on to conditioner. This literally takes no time, and I don't have to rinse. Got a little drip. Now for conditioner. On top of that, I'm going to use the Main Choice Apply to Dry Overnight Mask that is filled with amino acids so that it intensely moisturizes and repairs the hair. It improves the strength. It softens and conditions. Now, we all know that with color-treated hair, I need products that do just those things. I think this is the first time in my life I've had a wash day take less than 10 minutes. And what's better than being able to apply this, go to sleep, and then rinse it out in the morning? I am going to sleep. Now that it's morning and we have rinsed my overnight mask out, I'm moving on to the Main Choice No Poo Conditioning Cleanse Foam. Get this. All I have to do is apply, leave it on for 60 seconds, and then rinse it out. I like this. It's a cleanser, conditioner, and co-wash that gently cleanses and conditions in one step. And it's going to give my dry hair a burst of moisture. My hair is feeling pretty refreshed, cleansed, and this is literally by far the quickest wash day I've ever experienced. And my hair smells so good. So good. It's time for the Prickly Pear Leave-In Conditioning Cream. And look at it, it's so light and fluffy. Now for the last step, prior to actually styling my hair, I'm using the Main Choice Prickly Pear Paradise Leave-In Conditioning Cream. And this stuff smells absolutely amazing. My hair feels soft. It's easy to detangle with it. So now that I have had the quickest wash day of my life, I'm going to go ahead and do a perm rod set because I already know it's about to be popping. While I wait for my poppin' perm rod set to dry, I am literally going to scroll through my phone, check emails, return to text messages, and of course, stay hydrated because it gets hot underneath this dryer. And then we are going to take these bad boys out. I know that this look is going to be promising. So after I remove all of the rollers from my head, I'm going to separate them and use my pick to fluff. Here we go. Wash days just got a lot easier. I can definitely say I'm here for the Main Choice Prickly Pear collection. Make sure that you check the links in my description bar below, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye!